welding is something I wanted to do because it's something I kind of picked up on quick when I barely even touched the welder. And I got to do 4 hours of welding in the morning, and then I got 3 classes of academic, and then I go have the rest of the day. So I do my 4 hours of my lab, and that's hands-on stuff, and that makes I'm not a morning person, so when I get to do something I like in the morning, that makes my mornings go way better. I was definitely like a little nervous coming up here, but once everyone got to know each other, like the school is a really nice school, and all the students here respect each other and stuff. So the connections, I have made some new friends that I didn't even know that lived by me. So like I go like the Tays and Canal, and that I have 3 buddies that go to my home school that come here for Eastland and Welding. So that makes it fun too, that we all get to go outside of school and talk about our welds with each other and who's gonna get a welding machine first. Yep. I am a wrestler at Bloom Carroll. I've been wrestling for 14 years this year, and I box on the side. I'd like to do UFC because Eastland is big on that. They do care about your sports for your home school and stuff. It's just been really fun and learning new stuff. I still got a lot more to learn, like a lot more. But it's fun. Houston's a really great teacher and stuff, and I'm excited to get closer with a lot of the students in this class and become a good kid and learn more. I'm hoping I'm standing like 1,000 feet up in the air welding and doing some iron working with my buddy Jeremiah. Welding makes a lot of good money, so in the next 25, 30 years, hopefully be able to be kicking it back some, like not working as much.